I make this video for my class EL6303, and here's the first question in my homework 9. We have already know that WT is winner process, and so here we need to get the expectation of xt. Because WT is winner process, so here we could easily know that xt, the distribution of xt is normal distribution. So here the expectation of xt is 0. So next we're gonna get the rt1, t2. I just need to put everything in, which here it should be wt1 plus 1 minus wt1 times wt2 and 1 minus wt2. So here I just need to open it. Minus wt1 1 minus wt1 plus 1 wt2 plus wt1 times wt2, and here I need to change all the w to x. T1 x t2 is minus expectation of expectation Q1 So here we actually, according to this, the expectation of, we know it should be, so here I make this to alpha, so here is alpha t. So here this is we need to get the minimum part. So I just draw the two lines here, and here is the t1 minus 1, here's t1, and here's t1 plus 1, and here's t2 minus 1, and here's t2, and here's t2 plus 1. Actually, according to these four minimize, so we can know that we need to compare this part and this part. So obviously, if we want to get the result, first we could move it here, or this is the first choice and second is this choice, and third choice is that third choice is this part, and the fourth choice is this. So just this is T1 plus T1 is bigger than T2. T2 is bigger than T1 plus 1, and this should be 0. And if it's T2 smaller than T1 plus 1 and smaller than T2 plus 1, so here is alpha T1 minus T2 plus 1. So if here is T2 smaller than T1 and smaller than T2 plus 1, so here should be alpha T2 minus T1 plus 1. So here, if here is T2 plus 1 and smaller than T1, so 0. So here's the result of our T1, T2.